Back in 2022 I bought this CBR600RR. Back then it was still black and white, original, except the exhaust. But now we have history together. The slip-ons have always been adjusted by Pajik. The sound is great. Do you want to hear the sound maybe? I bought this bike at 29,000 kilometers. And right now we just hit the 72,500 kilometers. So it's almost time for a 50,000 review. This is the bike I fell in love with, but not immediately. At the test ride I actually wasn't convinced, but I just fell in love with the looks and the idea of a race bike. I romanticized the machine. I think I didn't like it at first because you have to learn to steer the bike because the position is so aggressive and the throttle is different. I actually enjoy that it's a bit more soft under the 7,000 RPM because I really control the bike. I don't hit the gas accidentally, yeeting myself off. I can just go bananas on the gas and it's fine. If I want to go fast, I just go down a gear or two and no problem at all. It's one of the fastest bikes on the market. It's from 2007, so it's allowed to drink beer. Everybody thinks it's new because of the paint and the LED headlights. I cannot say goodbye to this bike. I need to get the 100,000 kilometers on it first. I'm so passionate about the bike. This bike made me fall in love with Honda and I never felt sorry for it. Not after repairing it multiple times because I crashed it, someone else crashed it and I dropped it. So there has been some money going into the bike. All the money I needed to spend was my own fault. So the bike is awesome. Kilometers. I'm very excited to make a 50,000 kilometers review. And I'm curious if you have any questions regarding the bike or the miles or what to expect when you buy a racing bike. Because when I tested this bike, I wasn't actually convinced. I had to learn how to sit, how to ride, how to expect the bike to behave. And now every time I ride it, I fall in love again. Just every freaking time. A bit loud for a car. And no one expects it to be from 2007 because of the color and the LED headlights. Just let me know and I'll make a video. Thanks.